Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect WealthCharts to TradingView. First, open WealthCharts and sign into your account, then open TradingView in another tab. Make sure both accounts are active and logged in properly. Now, in WealthCharts, go to the Settings section and look for Integrations. Here, find the TradingView connection option or the webhook or API section. If an API key or webhook URL is provided, copy it carefully. Next, switch to TradingView and open any charts. Click on Indicators and apply your strategy. After that, click on Alert and select Create Alert. In the Alert settings, enable the webhook URL option. Paste the webhook link that you copied from WealthCharts. Then add the required message format, such as JSON, if it is needed. Now, click on Create Alert to activate it. After that, trigger a test alert and check inside WealthCharts to confirm that the signal is being received. Finally, monitor both dashboards to make sure the alerts are syncing correctly. If needed, adjust the alert conditions to improve accuracy. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.